In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change margins in Mailchimp. To get started, sign in to your Mailchimp account and head over to the left-hand menu. From there, select Campaigns. Then open the email campaign you want to edit. Once you're inside that campaign, click Edit Design to open the email editor. This is where you'll be able to control the spacing for different elements in your email. After the editor loads, click directly on the specific content block you want to adjust. This could be a text block, a heading, or an image. It's important to select the exact block you want to work on. Because margin and padding settings are applied individually, depending on the content block you choose. Once that block is selected, look over to the editing panel on the side, and click on the Style tab. This section gives you access to the design-related settings for that content, including the spacing around it. If you don't see the spacing options right away, just scroll down until you find the padding or margin section. At this point, you will usually see an option called Apply to All Sides. If you want the same amount of space on the top, bottom, left, and right, you can leave that option checked. That makes it faster and keeps the spacing even all the way around the block. But if you want more precise control, uncheck Apply to All Sides. That will let you enter different pixel values for each side separately. Now, type in the pixel values you want, or use the up and down arrows to increase or decrease the spacing. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so it's a good idea to change the values gradually and watch how the layout updates. If something looks too cramped or too spread out, you can fine-tune it until the block fits nicely with the rest of your email design. When you are happy with the spacing, click Save and Close or Save and Exit to apply your changes. That will keep your updated margin or padding settings in place for that content block. As a quick tip, it helps to preview your email after making spacing changes, especially if you are working with multiple sections. Consistent spacing can make your campaign look much cleaner and easier to read. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.